Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
If you are looking for the best backpack blower, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Husqvarna 965,877,502 backpack blower. We love the user-friendly design on the heavy-duty Husqvarna 965,877,502 350BT, and because of its amazing overall performance, we've chosen it to be our top pick. This product is powered by an impressive 2-horsepower engine and can reach up to 7,500 RPM, perfect for those pesky wet leaves. That translates into air speeds of nearly 180 miles per hour. It lowers the exhaust emissions by up to 60% while increasing fuel efficiency by nearly 20%. It is truly a machine to be reckoned with. Number 2. Poulan Pro PR48BT Backpack Blower. The Poulan Pro 967,087,101 48cc backpack blower is a powerful tool that is perfect for cleaning and clearing out leaves from your yard. The device is built with strong and reliable materials that will help you get the job done easily. Simply start up the powerful 48cc engine and you'll have your work done in no time. The device can generate speeds of up to 200 miles per hour and has a maximum air volume of 475 cubic feet per minute. You'll also be able to use the variable speed throttle to pick the perfect speed for the task at hand. Number 3. GreenWorks BPB80L00 Backpack Blower. The GreenWorks BPB80L00 80 volts cordless backpack blower is one of the best devices we've seen for homeowners who want to invest in an environmentally friendly machine. It is capable of generating speeds of up to 145 miles per hour and has a maximum air volume of about 580 cubic feet per minute. You'll be able to do your work quickly and efficiently thanks to the powerful brushless motor and lightweight design. The entire machine only weighs about 8 pounds. Additionally, we love the easy start features on the device, especially for those who don't have previous experience with building up the device. Number 4. Troy-Bilt TB4BPEC Backpack Blower. The Troy-Bilt TB4BPEC 32cc 4-cycle backpack blower is an excellent addition to anyone's go-to cleaning supplies during the fall. It enables you to reach hard-to-get spaces thanks to the flexible tube that replaces the traditional solid tube and is easy for new owners to learn to operate. It can reach an impressive 150 miles per hour airspeed and 500 CFM air volume for blowing large piles of leaves and debris. A fully tensioned multi-material suspension system distributes weight evenly and comfortably between shoulders and hips. A long flex tube allows the operator to maneuver around and under objects. Number 5. Makita EB5300TH Backpack Blower. Landscapers that have to clean parks, gardens, and big yards will surely love the Makita EB5300TH. By far, the best backpack blower around, this tool is the epitome of power. It packs a 52.5cc, 2.5 horsepower engine that can output 516 CFM and 184 miles per hour of air velocity. Furthermore, the commercial-grade construction comes with advantages of its own. The tool has a low level of vibration and low noise. Various nozzles bring more value, while the adjustable handle enhances comfort and ergonomics.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video is helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.